Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Art with Mr. Haynes. Today we're going to be making some optical illusion art, which basically means like art that almost looks like it's going to jump right off the page. And here you can see some different examples. We're going to be making optical illusion hand art today. Okay, so what you need to do this, you need a pencil, a ruler, some colors, and you can use pastels or markers or pencil crayons, doesn't really matter. Alright, and then you need a Sharpie marker and a pencil. The first thing you're going to do is trace your hand. You might need some help with this. Make sure your pencil is nice and straight so that your hand doesn't look skinny. Then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to make some lines across your page, but you're not going to go over your hand. Okay, and make sure you use a ruler for this because it'll look much nicer. And make sure your lines are nice and even. You can add more lines than I'm adding if you want to, but it will take more time to finish. Then you're going to take your pencil and you're going to connect your lines over the hand with kind of a rainbow shape. And you want to make sure that's nice and even. All right, and be a little careful when you're going over the fingers. You have to make smaller rainbows over each finger, and you want to make sure that your lines are connected really nicely. Okay, and next we're going to take a Sharpie marker and we're going to trace over those lines that go across the page. But we're not going to trace our hand, okay? Because you can imagine like the hand's almost underneath the page, and so the lines for the hand will not be as dark as the lines on top. Okay, and be extra special careful when you're going over your fingers there. Now you're going to start coloring, and I'm going to use a 3-color pattern: green, purple, orange, green, purple, orange. So I marked those with dots so I'd remember when to color. Okay, and when you're coloring, you want to make sure that you're coloring nice and straight on the straight sections behind your hand, but when you go over the hand, you kind of want to do a curve shape, and again, that will make it look like your hand is coming off the page. Okay? And this is pretty easy when you're doing your wrist, but when you get up to your fingers, you need to take a bit more time to make sure that each finger has that curved kind of pattern when you're coloring it, and behind it is straight. Okay? And when you're done, it looks great. It almost looks like your hand is going underneath the page, just like that. All right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be creative.